Hello friends, to talk about Wall Street and what will probably happen in the upcoming week is the commodities which are going to drive the market going forward. But overall, it's the decision taken by the European countries where they are not going to trade with Russia as far as the current geopolitical tension is concerned, and because of which you can see that the overall commodity basket and more specifically the gas and the energy basket are actually hitting new record highs, and because of that we have seen a crash in the euro dollar, and dollar has actually moved higher. So this will create lots of repercussions. Now we have also seen that as of now the Wall Street, if you are talking about Dow Jones to be specific, it is not falling either on the downside because it does make some big or volatile moves, but as far as the overall price trend is concerned, you can see the range has become limited, and until and unless Dow Jones falls below 33,000, the trend is intact as of now. Now what about the long term trend? I have said it many times. If you are looking at the long term trend, obviously the long term trend is not yet stabilized, and we will definitely have some big moves going forward, and most importantly those moves are on the downside. So this is not at all a negative positive thing, but you know, if the market is going on the downside, you will have some sharp swings in between. And right now, if you are looking at the overall context of the market, it is saying that probably it's the time for some sort of pause. Now how long that pause could probably be, that is yet to be seen or yet to be known, but the problem is the overall things or the multi-dimensional aspect of the stock market actually hurting it most, where we can see the dollar index which generally indicates if it moves higher the stock market will go lower. The gold and silver prices, they are moving higher, so it is also indicating right now, if you are looking at the very short term, it is also indicating risk. Most importantly, the commodity basket, if it continues to move higher, it will create additional pressure to all those countries, or on all those countries who are importing oil, crude, gas from other countries, and obviously the producers are going to benefit it all. So this is from the producer aspect. But what about the stock market? Stock market will definitely face the jitters in the next couple of months, but we have to deal this market on a regular basis. When I'm saying regular basis, a day, the kind of move you can see in a particular day, it will actually telling you that this is not at all a day, this is probably a week, and the volatility is going to be on the higher side. So you have to choose, pick and choose your trade, and this is not going to be a easy market to make money. Obviously if you find out some good and good fundamental stocks which has corrected like 40-50%, there are lots of them, so you can slowly or gradually started accumulating those stock in the upcoming weeks and months, and it will take time, it will definitely take time. So hopefully the next week is indicating consolidation, but we have to see how the consolidation looks like and whether the consolidation holds or not, because if it does not, we will definitely have a big swing on the downside again. So be alert and go for long term, and short term trades are very risky right now. And even if you want to go for a short term trade, as I told you, you need to pick and choose, and you need to understand what are the trades you are choosing, and better be it on the intraday perspective rather than a swing perspective.